In today's video, let's talk about how to fix Netflix account hack. Now there can be a few cases to this. The first case is if you can still log into your account. In this situation, you can simply head over to the section where you can change your password and then immediately change the password and remove any sort of devices that you do not recognize, or you can simply tap on sign out of every device. This ensures that the hacker is also signed out of his device. So in this situation, you will be able to solve this issue. But however, in the case that the hacker has changed your password or your email, then in this situation, what you need to do is open up a web browser, search for help.netflix.com, and in the search bar, you can simply search for I don't remember my email or password. Basically, head over to the section of resetting the password within Netflix, and then you need to enter in your exact credit card or debit card number that is currently being used to pay for your monthly subscription. Netflix automated system will locate your profile based on your billing footprint and will allow you to override the hacker's change. So this will help to solve this issue. But however, in case you have built through a third-party application such as Play Store or the App Store, in this situation you need to head over to the customer support of Netflix. So if you can access the customer support of Netflix within the application, quickly head over to it. If you cannot within this page as well, you can tap on the contact us option and then you'll be able to contact them directly through the chat section. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.